We just heard back from one of our happy customers in the form of a 5-star review, and we wanted to share it with the world. This is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers. It just never gets old when our customers post these types of experiences online. We take pride in knowing we are making our customers happy. It makes us happy as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customer happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day while growing our customer base. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we will work hard for you. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.